third bench. Third bench. Okay. Yeah. Chocolate. How many chocolates? Eclairs, I don't take chocolates, dark chocolates. No, last time hello. Fine. Sit down, please have a seat, all of you. If tomorrow there's a test paper is there school. What is the chapter? Surrender, con, and probability. That's why this way. Okay. Oh, Kadam also is studying maybe. Yes, sir. Who is a Saxena, UT Huh? You are the I think one person. Akshara, your birthday now? Please stand up. Happy birthday. Please come. Please come. Your name is changed to English language. There is a bag. Vidhi, please get inside. One day let us sit with you. Did he ever sit with you? Did she ever sit with you? So today, yeah. All right, okay. Hello, let's start now. We are doing the section. Yes. Okay, problem. And a probability what? Okay. Section midpoint and the volume surface area. You did now. Should I give 2 questions on volume surface area from the textbook? Yeah. How many days? Tomorrow revision of which one? Which chapter? Which one? Maths. Monday.
Can you I don't want anything.
Your Honor? Hey, this Sunday you have a lecture, no?
What lecture, sir?
7:30 lecture.
Exam.
Oh, you have to study English. You have to study. No, you said no, I do not study English. I teach me English. Yes, I will teach. Okay, yes, sir. Sir will teach. Okay, Nadar will come and I will. Yes, sir. Boy, which chapter and all you tell me? Which chapter? Ajay. Power of music. Power of music. So we will. Okay, okay, then let's start now. Exercise, first exercise we are done or not? Areki, stand up. Tell me what Areki is there, no? Okay, what is the section for? Look over here. What is the section formula? Formula. Formula only. Yeah. Okay. What is that? Y is equal to? Y is equal to M1 plus M2 M1 plus M2. You know section formula is for what? Finding the not point of division. Okay. Sansi. All good now? Markers come now. Ariki said the mark to me. You did got the mark? No? Every time? No, no, the exam will be every time. You also. Okay. Tell what is the midpoint formula? You have to look. So difficult, or x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And then you have what is section formula?
Formula for x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n.
Okay.
And for
Now, enough here. Okay. Now look here. If those who have whichever convenient, those who studied with M1 M2, use M1 M2, M and N, and the ratio also. Other day I have seen somebody was using with M1 is to M2, not K is to 1. No problem. Whichever convenient form you do it. Okay. If you are done in the school one form and if you have properly known this one, we do it. All answers will come in the same format only. Okay, Nadar. Both are Nadar family. Say both are the same Nadar family. You are from which part of India, Nadar?
Tamil Nadu.
You also Tamil Nadu. You are from Tamil Nadu, which place? Say, huh? You never been to Tamil Nadu? Where? Coimbatore? Chennai. Proper Chennai. You? Nagarkoil. You? Tiruchirappalli. Tiruchirappalli. No, Trichy. Okay, sorry. You know how to speak in Tamil?
Sir, no.
No. Other question. You know how to speak in Tamil?
I understand it too.
You know how to understand. Understand.
You understand now?
Oh, you know how to speak Tamil? Kacha kacha. Koncham koncham. No, I was.
Let's help it then.
Acha, chalo, let's start now. Okay. Exercise which exercise we are doing? 13.1. Not over it. Oh, it's okay. Okay now. How many questions we are done?
4, sir. 4.
Throw it away.
4.
Throw it away.
Throw it away.
Down. Put it down.
So, so far, okay.
Okay. You people, as long as you people are there now, I have to clean you people. Yeah, four. How many sums are done? 4 is done. Vidhi, how many are done? 4, 5, 4. Okay, Vidhi, read the 5th question. Line joining the point -3 minus what? 5, 7. Line x equal to 2. First you have to find the x is equal to 2 line division and also find the point of intersection. So first is ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to k is to 1. X value we have, so apply the formula and get. You don't have a pen, what do you want? I will give one. Who has an extra pen? Which person can donate one extra pen? Somebody is begging. So read, write, substitute. X. 40 language.
Yes, sir.
Shawarma when you supply also that also, that front also needed, no? Huh? There is some other friend you take and give shawarma. Cheap. Cheap friend. Oh, she was hungry, so I had to feed her. Do it. Replace. X is 2 is equal to k times x2 5 plus 1 time minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Are my dear friend, do it now. Get the Ariki unwanted comments are not required. Also then get the answer. Got it? 2k plus 2 is equal to 5k minus 3. 5 is equal to how much? 3k. K is equal to how much you got? 5 by 3. How many we got 5 by 3?
Each to five.
How can you?
Each to
Did you get 5 equal to 3k? Whatever the value, so if you got M1, M2 means that is why be careful. You must have got 3 M1 is equal to 5 M2. Did you get this way?
Yes.
Huh? How 5 M1?
And the lecture.
Huh?
And the lecture.
Or 3. So you got a 3 M, 5 M1. It is coming as this one. How many of you got this much? Therefore, answer is K is equal to, therefore ratio is 5. M1 is to M2 is equal to 5 is to 3. 5 M1 is equal to 3 M2. Right. Ulta hai. Then next is also find the point of intersection. So Y is equal to M1 by 2, M2 Y1. Replace 5 times 7 plus 3 times minus 1. Careful doing the work. Sarah, what is the discussion going on? You got the answer? Yes or no? Steps are written over there. K is to 1 is always a better way to do it. Okay, so that one variable is easy to do it. What happens if you want to do it? Here you check 5 M1 minus 3 M2, M1 plus M2, 2 M1 plus 2 M2, cross multiply. 32, 5, 8, 4. Therefore, the point of intersection is 2, 4. X is 2 and Y is equal to 4. Whichever the steps not followed, you tell me, I'll explain again. Okay. Your pen is not working, you're not like that. Okay. Is it working? So, got it. Next question. Mox, you got the answer? Very quickly right now. Ananya, read the next question. Question number 6.
Point P 5, minus 4 divides the line segment AB as shown in the figure in the ratio 2:5. Find the coordinates of point A and B.
So there is a figure is given. This is A. Yes or no? Where is what is this point L? One line segment is not moved. X axis, Y axis is given. This way is given. This is what? A. This is what? B. This is P.
5, minus.
This is P, no?
Yes.
5, minus 4. Divides in the ratio 2
2:5.
2:5. This is the way. So A is a point on which axis? X axis. Therefore, this can be taken as what? X, 0. And this is what? 0, Y. So we will take it as x1, y1 is equal to x, 0. x2, y2, 0, y. And the x is to y, x, y is equal to, if you have confusion, you take a, 0. So that 0, b. Then it will be more convenient for you. Otherwise, x, y 2 times using x is to y is 5, minus 4. Ratio M1 is to M2 is 2:5. Are you followed, all of you? What happened?
Sir, if we take 2:5 मतलब ऐसा, if 2 यहाँ पर है,
You have to read the question. It is not your wish to take. Read loudly. P divides AB in the ratio, na? So that is why it is 2. You cannot your own wish to ratio to take. If it is BA means opposite. So you have to see which ratio. P divides AB means AP is to BP. Understood or not? Chel. Read loudly. P divides. Loud, I cannot hear.
The point P 5, minus 4 divides the line segment AB as shown in
AB in the ratio, so that means AP is to BP. Understood or not? Now what do you find out?
coordinates of point A and B.
So they use the formula x is equal to and y equal to, automatically you get x means a is equal to, sorry, 5 is equal to m1 is how much? 2 times x2, that is equal to 0, plus m2 5, be careful, a divided by plus 5. Nadar, are you following? 5 into 7 is equal to 5a. A is equal to 7. Sarah behind that Arya is talking. I can hear now from here behind some noises coming. No? I can, oh, as if you can't hear. Oh. Arya. Then saying my y value find out. So y minus 4 is equal to, not that I will write, after that you write. Do it. M1, 2, y2, b plus m2, 5, y1, 0 divided by 2 plus 5. Minus 4 into 7 is equal to 2b. b is equal to minus 14. Therefore, coordinate of A 7, 0. Coordinate of B 0, minus 14. I hope all are following. Important questions, you have to little think and do it, nothing else. Okay, not A and B, coordinates right. Answer should be this one, this is your answer. If you just A and B is not enough. Marks, what is your doubt? No doubt. Okay, then go. Sansi, are you following? The way you are sitting, I don't think you are following. You are following. Okay, next question, you will get a big answer. Okay? Why? Following now, these are simple now. Last class, full time pass was going on now. Kadam was there now. If Kadam is there, things are different now. Yeah. Next question. Oh, yeah.
The line segment joining the points F 5, 7 and
Line segment joining.
points 7 and minus 2 is intersected by the y-axis at point F. Write down the axis of L. Hence, find the
Intersected y-axis at L now. Okay.
write down the axis of L.
Okay.
Hence, find the ratio at which L divides M and is 30.
Okay.
Also, find the coordinates of L.
So, did you all read the question? Okay. So, first is, what happened? I explain. Line segment joining M and N is intersected by y-axis. So, if it is y-axis means what is its abscissa? 0. So, first answer, abscissa of L is equal to 0. That is the first answer. Abscissa of L is equal to 0. Now, written all of you. Next, write what is x1, y1, 5, 7. x2, y2, minus 3, 2. X, y is x, 0. And ratio is k is to 1. Clear? Y-axis, sorry, y-axis, no? Abscissa you wrote, no? So it is 0, y. Now, which formula you have to take, x or y? Which answer you have, x? So x. So use the formula x. 0 is equal to k times x2 minus 3 plus 1 times 5 divided by k plus 1. Cross multiply and get the value of k. No mistake, no? Your ratio always. Why you are writing with pencil? You need a pen now. You can donate one pen to this girl. How many content cards you got? I've seen other table. You know. They told they got answer. You got also. Chalo, you didn't give chocolate. to me. My chocolate are Ricky. Got the value of K. What the 0 is equal to minus 3K plus 5. 3K is equal to 5. K is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, ratio M1 is to M2 is equal to 5 is to 3. Then find the Y value. So that is second answer. This M1 and M2, please do it properly, okay? If 5 by 3 and 3 by 5 are different things, remember. Then replace 5 times Y2, 2 plus 3 times 7. Why? Yeah.
Nothing, sir. Then, sir.
What is the answer you got?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
That.
Why? M1 plus M2.
Sir, done not.
5 plus 3 is how much?
9.
5 plus 3 is 9.
Sorry.
And he wrote, first he wrote 9, below he wrote Y. Too much, bro. Alright. Therefore, the point is 0, 31 upon 8.
The number.
Oh yeah. So, you got the answer. Arey, you were supposed to give the answer, no? I forgot only to ask you. Yes. Mr. Saxena, got the answer. Oh.
Sir, can I, sir, enjoy the.
Party,
Yes, sir.
got the answer. Not this way, you have to write what the ratio, coordinate, three things you have to write, okay? Three answers. Okay. Patil ji, read the next question. Question number 8.
The line segment joining A 2, 6 and B 6, minus 5 is intersected by X axis
6 comma
plus minus 5.
minus 5 intersected by X axis.
X
Okay.
axis at the point K.
um,
Write down the ordinate of point K.
Okay.
Hence, find the ratio in which K divides AB. Also find the coordinates of the point K.
Okay. So the line segment, so first is intersected by X axis. So right, ordinate of K is equal to 0. X axis, no, you can write K is on X axis, therefore its ordinate is equal to 0. Ordinate is equal to 0. Did you write, all of you?
Sir.
Then, therefore, x1, y1, 2, 3. x2, y2, 6, minus 5, I suppose. And x, y is x, 0. M1 is to M2. If you want to write k is to 1, k is to 1 itself we can write. Do you know which formula to be used first? Y formula, because y value you have. So replace. Y value replace and get the answer. Nobody will shout. Nadar Aditya will give the answer.
No, sir.
Yes, good boy.
No, sir. Oh, minus 0, 0, 0. This is 10. Tupna. Hello. This one about it. And from here, he's like, oh, yes. Three by five होगा ना भाई?
What are the value K? Ratio. Nadar, what did you get?
I don't know.
Are get the tell now loudly. Huh? 3:5. How many we got? 3:5. A very good clap for this man. Enough. You got only one. This 1 mark. Those who did not get K times Y2 minus 5 plus 1 time 3 K plus 1. 0 is equal to minus 5K plus 3. 5K is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore, M1 is to M2 is equal to 3 is to 5. All of you got this answer. Now you have to find out the x coordinate. So, formula of x, right? M1. That is 3 times x2, 6 plus 5 times 2 by 3 plus 5. Mox got the answer? Mox got, finding is that 18, 28 by 8, 7 by 2, 3.5. Therefore, the coordinate is 3.5, comma 0. What have you got? Akshara got the same answer. Ariel, got it? L. Okay. You got one answer now, let me line form. Okay.
Proud of that.
It's good. That is why being important. Okay. Tell. Next question.
The line running P minus 4, 5 and Q.
P is minus 4, 5.
5.
Q
to P, 2
3, 2.
intersects the y-axis at point PM.
Y-axis at the point
R.
R.
PM and QN are perpendiculars from P and P and Q on the x-axis.
Yeah. Then
P and Q are perpendiculars from P and Q on the x-axis.
Right.
The ratio PR is to PQ and coordinates of R and area of quadrilateral PM.
so draw a rough figure. All of you draw the rough figure. P is given minus 4 pi. Q is 3 2. Yeah. Draw the figure. Minus 4 5 is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. P is minus 4, 5. Q 3, 2, 3. No? Okay, 3, 2. Yeah. Headache I will give more, little more headache. Reducing place I will give. No. Yeah. Then what all things you need over here? First is again a perpendicular is drawn now. What is drawn perpendicular? PM and QN. Okay. Then what you have to do it? What is M? What is M? What is the coordinate of M? Minus 4, 0. And what is N? 3, 0. Now, what all things you have to find out now? Rachel, what all you need to find out?
Ratio PR is to RQ.
PR is to RQ. So, X1, Y1 is minus 4, 5. All of you do it. X2, Y2 is 3, 2. And R is 0, see the rate 0, Y. Midpoint, how midpoint?
No.
Is it midpoint? Then section formula for x you find out. Ratio you need to find out. What happened now? You don't go look over here. You find out use the property. This is 0, y. Ratio is k is to 1. X coordinate apply. You'll get the ratio. What happened? Mentally, no calculation. Your mind, nobody can calculate. Maybe someone can be decided. Radar is the best one.
Okay.
Who got the ratio? 4 is to
3.
4 is to 3. Radar, you did not get. What is the answer you got? Keep it here. You have to copy from them.
No, sir.
Ah,
What?
0 is equal to 3k minus 4. 3k is equal to 4. Therefore, k is equal to 4 upon 3. Therefore, m1 is to m2 is equal to 4 is to 3. Then what is the ratio you have to find out? What is the second thing you have to find out? Oi, coordinates of R. So for that y you apply 4 times y2 plus 3 times y1. 4 plus 3. How much? 23 by 7. Y equal to 3. Actually, 7 3s are 23, no? Radar, no, I don't. Therefore, coordinate of R is 20, 0, 23 by 7. 23, okay. 4 2s are, do you know how much? 8 plus 15 is 23, not 21.
Sir, very much tension.
I'm very tension, I know.
Second one
Now.
exams.
Now, what else you need to find out?
Area of quadrilateral.
Area of the quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral is this one? Trapezium. So therefore, what are the length of the side? What is PM? 5. QN 2. MN 7. So right. The P M NQ or PQNM is a trapezium. Trapezium, where PM is equal to 5, QN is equal to 2, and MN is equal to 7. Area half into parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides into distance. That is equal to half into 5 plus 2 times 7. Parallel sides are 5 and 2. Distance is 7. 49 by 2 square units. 24.5 square units. Radar, are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Is all 4 to 5 mark questions.
Very easy.
Very easy, but you did not get the answer.
Sir, very tension, sir.
Huh?
Tension.
What's it in here? What's it now?
No, sir.
Your friends are who are the same friends? Ah, Satish and Kamil, right? Mohammed Ryan. Yeah. Done. Completely wrong right there. Yeah. Question done. All of you completed this one. Exercise over. Over. All done. Questions are over. Nice. Study. So this exercise we have done all 14 questions. Right? Oh, sorry, that is not 6. I keep on to that. 12.1. 13.1 9 questions. All of you did now? Okay. I'll give one question to you to do also. Okay. 9 only now you will complete homework, more questions are there. Homework exercise question number 10, all of you do. Homework exercise question number 10. My God will not come, you do. Akshara, I know today is your birthday, so excitement is not required, so do it. Sorry. He gave one more chocolate to you. Thank you. Vidhi, do the question. Ajay, homework exercise. So you should ask me now question number 10. Again, Akshara is talking.
Sara is wrong. Keep laughing.
She's laughing. How do you know she's laughing?
I can hear you.
Aryan is doing. Shama, read the question. Read.
If P minus B 9A minus 2 divides the line segment.
What P is what?
Minus B and 9A minus.
Minus B.
And 9A minus.
Okay.
Divides the line segment joining the point A minus 3.
Minus 3.
And 3A plus
3A plus
1. And B 5.
5 comma
8A.
5 comma 8.
8A.
5 comma 8A.
In the ratio 3:1.
3:1.
Find the values of A.
Find the value of A and B. Check. Only the thing is you take x1, y1, x2, y2, xy properly. Xy is minus B comma 9A minus 2.
So D minus 3, sir.
Is minus B now?
Sir, D minus 3.
This is it. Then. So first step, put the coordinates. You will get the answer. A and B. Got the value of A and B. How many have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the value of A?
1
1 B.
minus B.
All of you got. And you?
Sir.
You're going to get. Okay.
Sir, no, sir.
Smart work.
Sir,
Okay, now I'll write for you. 3 times I plus 1 time minus 3. So by 3 plus 1. Okay. That is 8 minus 3. 15 minus 3 divided by 4. That is equal B equal to minus 3. Oh, Nanda. Oh, smart boy.
sir,
You got the what is the value of A?
36.
Huh? So 9A minus 2. Nadar is talking again. 3 times x 8A plus 1 time 3A plus 1.
Thank you.
Or 36A minus 8 is equal to 24A plus 3A plus 1. Okay, this man. 24 plus 3, 27. 37. This is for you, I am doing. That is equal to 9A is equal to 9. A equal to 1. Was it difficult? Very difficult? Yeah. Completed all of you? No. We have already discussed the midpoint formula, no? Done, no? What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Below right, one more formula express. Centroid formula. Oh, not boy. Centroid formula. Centroid formula. Nadar, what is centroid?
Something so.
Something. So I am asking what is something. Okay, so right. Centroid is the point of intersection of medians. Centroid is the point of intersection of medians of a triangle. Point of intersection of the medians of a triangle. Now derivation I am not giving. So right, if A x1 y1 B x2 y2 C x3 y3 are the vertices of the triangle A x1 y1. Understood? Both all the three vertices. Then centroid is x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. That is centroid. X1 plus x2 plus x midpoint means add and divide by 2. Centroid means add and divide by 3. Achara, now you are enjoyed with them now. I'll shift you to this side. Better say they are entering X's. They also said.
I had one doubt.
You had one doubt only, no?
Yes.
Max doubt only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
It's beyond how this goes. That's exactly right. So if we learn that, will we get extra 30 marks in both? Is it important for both?
Extra
So
30.
if, for example, we don't get the solving, so we can write the.
Anyone followed what she said?
You keep the derivation of this point.
Derivation of the formula is asked you, right? Okay. So when Akshara's history asked, you write Akshara's history. Then what? You will only the contest told me.
That's the basic.
Look here. That's a break was not given. I'll give you one break. How much will it? Okay. Yeah, look here. Most of the derivations, sometimes if we go, it's a complicated form. That's why I'm not giving the derivation. It is not required for you people. If it is required, we will explain. You don't, as per your syllabus, the derivation doesn't come. We can derive all these formula has its own derivations. If you want its a derivation is there, midpoint and section formula apply, you will get the formula. If the derivations are not required, that's why we are not giving. Okay, if it is required, you can derive. Whereas when I give this formula in CPSE, I'll give the derivation because they need certain part of the derivation. Okay, happy. Actually, Euclid and all, you don't need to go for Euclid. Okay. It is important. Euclid has started with some postulates and axioms. Okay. So that axioms and postulates are not for you. Okay. They study, CBSE people study all these things.
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. Hello. Yeah. So formula learn now. Okay, centroid formula. With the help of this one, sometimes centroid they'll ask, or if the centroid is given, find the one vertex, they will have this way different questions will be asked. So we will go to the next exercise, that is exercise 12.1. 13.2. Stand up break for you. Also stand. Okay. What is your section formula?
X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 M1 plus
What is midpoint formula?
X1 plus X2 upon 2.
Centroid formula.
X1 plus X.
Very good. Please come on from there.
Yes.
Come now. No, come on. You need a plate now. No? Later down plate that you won't get the plate. Okay. Happy? Okay. Not happy. Yeah. Second exercise. Yuvrani, read the question. First one.
Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points -6, 7 and 3,5.
Direct. Hindi. Okay. Oh, the dark becomes so active. Hindi. Okay, do it. Which are the 2 points given? Minus x1, y1 is what, Ibrahim?
-6, -7.
Minus 6, comma minus 7.
Positive 7.
And y x2, y2
3,5.
directly midpoint. Nadar got the answer?
No, sir.
Hindi man. x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2. Still you did not get? Minus 6 plus 3 divided by 2. 7 plus 5 divided by 6. Still you did not get? Minus 1.5 comma 6.
32.
Still you 32.
Pratik, sir. The 1.5.
Correct, it is not 1.5, minus 1.5.
Same thing.
So coordinate form always right. They put in bracket, it's compulsory you have to put in coordinate form. Okay. Mox, second question read.
A 5,3,
A is 5 comma 3.
B -1, 1.
Uh-huh.
And C 7, -3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. If L is the midpoint of AB and M is the midpoint
Let
of
it be
AC,
there only.
so that LM is equal to half BC.
So matrices is coming triangle. Draw a rough figure. ABC. L M. L is the midpoint of AB, so find out what is L and M. You have to prove LM is equal to half BC. You don't write by midpoint theorem LM is equal to half BC. You have to prove it by using the coordinate geometry. L is the right, L is midpoint of AB. Therefore, L is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. What till done? 5 minus 3 plus 1. Here mental things stop now. 2 comma 2. Then same way M. M is midpoint of AC. So M is equal to same x1 plus 5 plus 7 divided by 2, comma 3 minus 3 divided by 2. Comma 6 comma 0. You got L and M, you got B and C. So how will you find out LM? How will you get LM? Huh? That you have to prove. How will you get LM? Distance formula. LM is equal to under root Arya x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Arya, next class onwards, I should see you in the second bench. Otherwise, I will make this one. You don't talk. I should see you in the second bench. Okay. Otherwise, Kadam, Mox, Arya, 3 will be sitting. Then better be here. Karim is a very good person. Very good person. So replace 6 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 is how much? Root 20. 2 root 5. Then BC. Same. B and C here. 7 plus 1 all square. Minus 3 minus 1. Arey, don't do this way, Arey. Your teacher, don't become my teacher, okay? He's writing or showing the step. Arey, write properly. Yeah. So 8 square 64 plus 16. Patil, you are sitting out here to write the steps and learn, not that in a final answer to give. 16 into 5, that is 4 root 5. Half BC is equal to 2 root 5. Therefore, LM is equal to half BC. This way you have to write all these things in your book. Where? Not even a single step written. Very good. Very good. The triangle is wrong. I see. Great thing here. And speak. Look at even Nadar is doing better than me.
Thank you.
Akhilesh, getting answer now? Writing the steps? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Next question. So how many questions we are done? This is second, third. Second one. Okay. Moksha, read the third question.
Yes. When M is the midpoint of AB, find the coordinates of if M is equal to 1, 7 and
M is equal to M is
1, 7.
okay.
B is equal to minus 5, 10.
Minus 5, 10. That's all.
Yes.
So find A. So you have A is x1, y1, we don't know. Midpoint x comma y we have, and x2, y2 we have. What if we do it? Everyone, midpoint formula apply and get the coordinate of A, and everyone do it. Do it now. Keep the bottle there. You have the value of xy, x2, y2. We don't have x1. Please do the question is. You have to get x1, y1. Use the formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. You have x, you have y, you have x2 and y2. Substitute, you will get the values of x1 and y1. What you are waiting for? Right, formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Put the values. Same way, the other one. Try to understand what is the way to do. Vidhi. This man got anything? M is the midpoint of AB. This is A. So x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. 1 is equal to x1 minus 5 by 2. 2 is equal to x. What here? This much even he comes. And you are telling here 7. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So then 7 is equal to y1 plus y2 10 divided by 2. 14 is equal to y1 plus 10. Y1 is equal to 14 minus 10, 4. Therefore, coordinate of A is 7, 4. What Nada? I thought you were doing. Tension, yeah. You answer the tension. Answer, come see.
That is also a second part.
Achha, there is second part. What is it?
Find B if A is equal to 3, minus 7.
Actually, this is second part. Here, A is what?
3, minus.
So x1, y1 is equal to 3,
Minus 1.
minus 1. Then M
Equal to minus 1,
M x comma y is equal to minus 1, 3. And B we don't have x2, y2. All of you do it. The same thing only. At least do this one. Tension man. Akshara, come and do it on the board. That's it. Come here. You do it. All of you do the same steps only, you have to do nothing else. One more. For example, only chapter to the that chapter.
Six.
Got it? What is X one? Sorry, X two. Minus five comma minus one. Who got minus five minus one? All others are getting. You did not get. Akshara also did not get. What is the answer you got?
Yes, so
Minus
that is not one church. Minus 5
Minus one is equal to three plus x two divided by two. This much you got. Minus two minus three is equal to x two. X two is equal to minus five. This much you got. Yes. Three is equal to minus one plus y two divided by two. Six is equal to minus one plus y.
Very bad, sir.
Y two is equal to seven.
Very bad. Sir, I got.
Therefore, coordinate of B minus five comma seven.
Sir, I. Minus 5.
Hey, three twos are six.
See, this place.
Sir,
This Nadar also did not get. Okay, good. So write minus five comma. What is right to have to be?
done, sir, done, sir.
That's
Attention.
fine. Tension. Take your tension now. Five point.
कल स्कूल में दे दूंगा इसको पढ़ाई करना I have to study. I have to go. Bye. I have to study.
हाँ टच वाह वाह क्या मस्त लगा है फोन नहीं कर रहा ये लोग आ रहे हैं फोन नहीं